Welcome back, dear friends. Today I'm at Changi Beach Park and beautiful place, yeah. Anyway, I will tell you in the description later, so you know where exactly this is. There's some dirt on my lens. Never mind. I will cycle around this place and show you around a little bit and what you can expect when cycling here. Maybe you can come here with your family and friends if you want. Okay, here we go. Okay, so cycling around Changi Beach Park. It feels very nice and peaceful here. Let me go search around for some nice spots. The time now is around 12 to 1 p.m. on a weekday, and I believe everyone is having lunch now except for me, cause I had an early lunch. The roads here are wide and very smooth. It has improved over the years since the last time cycled here very often on my road bike around probably 10 years ago. Now it's very nice for maybe beginner cyclists or skaters who wish to learn how to cycle and skate. I think here would be a very good place to do just that. Now let me see if I can find some nice scenery around here. This part of Changi Beach Park used to be a resting place for me when I cycled from Bedok to Changi Coastal Road and back to Bedok again, one big loop. And there is this long stretch of beach on the right side of me now, where I used to just sit there and stare into the distance and enjoy the scenery from the beach. Okay, let me show you the scenery from the beach now. From the beach, you can actually see Pulau Tekong and the remote part of Johor. I used to fish here with a friend also. I came here fishing and then I caught what I think is the biggest fish I ever caught in my life. A giant sea bass. So if you like fishing, you can come here and try your luck. Who knows, you may be luckier than me. Seeing all the patches of grass, now I feel like coming back later to have a picnic. Anyway, I will end the video here and I leave the rest of the place for you to come and explore on your own. I wish you all a happy Lunar New Year and have a roaring success in whatever you do in the year of the tiger.